Ay.
Puto.
Baba! Basketball. Lloyd taking the ball. Take a shot for 3. 3 points. Number 3 taking the ball. Surveying the floor. Pass to ball. Okay, intercepted. By number 11, pass to Roy. Roy keeping the ball. And then shot. Take a shot. 3 again. Number 3. Keep surveying the floor. Pass to Badagi. First shot. No. Rebound by Badagi. Pass to number 08. Pass to Badagi. Who's foul rep? Number 44. First personal foul, number 44. Okay, basket count for Patrick. Second shot. So good. Rebound by number 22. Pass to Mamba. Mamba driving. Basket is good. Okay. Number 3, Dibling. Number 44, foul. Second on you. Number 44. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Baseline. Pass to Shirek. Shirek driving. Take a shot. No good. Rebound by number 22 and number 25. Pass to number 11. 3 seconds violation. GBI ball, number 7, pass to Patrick. Pass to number 3. Mr. Arbol, pass to Shirek. Take a shot. No good. Rebound by Mamba. Ball is on his hand, pass to number 20, shot, no good. Rebound by number 11, pass to number 44, take a shot, no good again. Mamba get the ball. Pass to number 28. No good again. Okay. 9 ball. GBI ball. Official score 8-5 in favor of GIL. Ball giving the ball. Jerry take a screen, take a shot, no good. 25 on the board. Pass to Roy. Roy dribbling, attacking, no good. Then still on his hand, the ball. Pass to number 25, 25 take a shot, no good. Rebound by Milan. Same ball. Change 5, change 5, change 5. Official time 5 minutes 6 seconds. Official score 8-5 in favor of JL. Shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock. Devon holding the ball, pass to Pau. Pau taking 3. Pass to Juan, no good shot. Axel rebound. Time. Good ball. Hindi, nag-buzzer po. Sorry po, nag-buzzer. Ano ball, taking, driving to the basket, no good. Third team foul. Arnold dribbling. Number 4 again. Now, second on you. Number 4. Arnold taking shot, 5 take. No good. Number 26, shot off. The basket is good for number 26. Devon dribbling the ball, pass to EJ. EJ driving to the basket, take a shot. Basket is good. Mr. Arbol, sprinting to the basket, keep on his hand with the ball, dribbling. Pass to number 36, take a shot. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. No good again, Arnold. Okay, Arnold. Wait, take a 3. Yes, sir, for 3. Okay, pass to Paul. Paul, taking shot for 3, no good. Given by number 31, take a shot. Yes, sir. Official score 18-10 in favor of Gale. Official time 1 minute 33 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Mr. Arnold, drop. 8 seconds remaining. Drop by, pass. Violation. JL ball. Belong, take a fake shot, no good. Rebound pa rin niya, wala pa rin po. Number 88. Get the ball, pass to Arnold. Arnold, driving. Layup, no good. Axel rebound. Pass to Pau. Pau taking a 3, taking a shot, no good. Rebound by number 31. Who's foul? Mr. Canto, foul, 26. Number 26 foul. Two shots for EJ. First shot, no good. Second shot, basket is good. 40 seconds remaining shot clock. Mr. Arbol, commanding the team, pass to number 88. Mr. Piensa, pass to Canto. Mr. Canto, pass to number 0. Pump fake, pass to Arnold. Arnold for 3. Basket is good. 4-3, Mr. Arnold. 15 seconds, shot clock. Mr. AJ, dribbling the ball. Okay, give us the ball. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Arnold. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the first quarter, official score 19-13 in favor of JIL. Second 5. Pass na po, second 5. Roy Mamba, official score 8 points. For Roy. Mr. Ariel, 4 points. 2 points for John Paulo. Okay. Play ball. Number 88. Pass to Arnold again. Looking for teammate. Drop to Mr. Jerry. Drop to number 88. Shot, no good. Battle for rebound. Rebound by number 25. Running the ball. Steal. Complete steal by number 08. Number 17 running the ball. Waiting for his teammate, number 17. Drive on the basket. Looking to pass. Milan, receive the ball. Take a shot, no good. Rebound by 08, no good. Rebound by number 44. Number 44 pass to Roy Mamba. Roy Mamba attack. Left hand, basket is good. Roy Mamba for 2. Number 08. Drop to number 88. Yes, sir. Exchange basket, 25-15 for the score. Number 25, dribbling, pass to number 24. 24 takes a 3, no. 25 on his rebound, takes shot, no good. Top by 44, get by Roy Mamba. 12 seconds on the shot clock, 10. Roy, pass to 24, pass to Roy. Pass to number 44, take a shot. Take a shot, yes sir. Number 88, surveying the floor, pass to Milan. Back to number 88, pass to Arnold. Arnold take a 3, no, pump fake, pass to Sherrick, 5. Push foul rep. Number 44, third on you. Third personal foul for number 44. First team foul for the second quarter. 14 seconds shot clock. Takin lang po. Thank you. Mr. Jerry pass to Arnold. Arnold pump fake. Fake again. Drop to Milan. Milan take a shot. No good. Battle for rebound. Number 44 rebound. Crystal rep. 8 rep. 88. Thank you rep. 88. First on you. It's okay. Roy, give to number 44. Number 44 dribbling, pass to number 25. Driving to the basket. Bank shot, yes sir. 08. Weapon dribbling, stop. Received by Arnold. Behind the back. Drop to Mr. Jerry. Mr. Jerry take 2, no good. Battle for rebound, number 11. Get the ball, throw it in the outside. Gale, give the elbow. Official score, 25-15 in favor of Gale. Official time, 6 minutes, 40 seconds. Arnold, teardrop, no good. Rebound by number 88. Take his own shot, no good. Battle to rebound, number 11, rebound. Pass to Roy. Guarding by number 88. Still rolling the ball. Pass to number 44. 44. Foul on you. 0-8. Traveling, sorry. Traveling violation by number 44. Give MC ball. Official time 6 minutes, 5 seconds. Pass to 0-8. 0-8. Dribbling. Drop it to number 88. Number 88. Pass shot no good. Rebound by number 8. Pick up no good again to Milan. Milan on the board, number 8. 3 seconds violation. Official time, 5 minutes, 43 seconds. Pass break pass, number 24 shot no good. Rebound by number 08. Number 08, keep on dribbling. 9 violation, 5 minutes, 29 seconds. Go, 5 minutes, 27 seconds. No. Right, that was the number 25, number 25 good. Still by number, okay, number 25, 25 shot. Yes, sir. Shot. Change 5, change 5. Official score 29-16 in favor of JL. Okay, change 5. Gary Patrick dribbling the ball. Looking to set up, looking for his teammate. Pass to Mr. Arbol. Mr. Arbol. Drop to number 26, Pay. Underneath, no. JL ball. Mr. Ariel. Pass to foul. Drop to Igay. Drop to Axel. That's why Bebom. Shot so good. Rebound by Patrick. Who's on that? Number 4. Beb. Third on you. Bebom. Well, Patrick. Traveling violation by Patrick. Axel giving the ball, pass to EJ. EJ pass to foul, back to EJ, taking 3, take a shot. Basket is good for number 1. 32-15. Mr. Arbol, dribbling, taking a shot. Jump shot no good. Battle for rebound. Rebound by Pau. Pass to Axel, pass to EJ. EJ taking for 3, no good. Rebound by Mr. Ariel, pass to EJ. EJ, pass to Axel. 9 seconds, shot clock. 6. Rebound by Milan, pass to Mr. Arbol. Mr. Arbol, no good. Malas lang po. Pass to EJ, pass to Axel. Axel, thinking to drive, take a shot. Yes, sir. (34-15). Official score in favor of JL. Official time, 2 minutes, 43 seconds. Mr. Patrick, take a 3, no. Rebound by Axel. Pass to Ariel. Pass to EJ. Intercept by Mr. Patrick. Mr. Patrick, pass to Mr. Arbol. Yes, sir. Finally, Mr. Arbol on the board. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. At the pass, number 4, blocking foul for Mr. Patrick. Third-team foul for JDI. Mr. Paul, pump it. Take a shot. No, battle for rebound. Rebound by Milan. Pass to number 0. Waiting for his teammate. Give to Mr. Arbol. Mr. Arbol, take a shot. Yes, sir. Back-to-back points for Mr. Arbol. Official time 1 minute 33 seconds. No. Patrick on the rebound. Give to Mr. Arbol. Nagmamadali po, nagmamadali. Dire-diretso lang po. Blocking foul for Mr. Axel, number 7. Second quarter na po. Official time 1 minute 9 seconds. Pass to Mr. Arbol. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to Milan. Official time 55 seconds. Bilis na po, running time. Axel, giving the ball. Pass to Ige, back to Axel. Axel, take a shot, no good. Battle for rebound, sa kanya pa rin. Foul, Mr. Patrick. Number 4. Take 2 for Mr. Axel, number 7. Official time 34 seconds. First shot, no good. GBI warning for penalty, okay? Basket score for the second time. Official time 34 seconds. Official score 35-19. Second shot clock. Mr. Arbol. No. Mr. EJ. Basket is good. 9 seconds left. 5, 4, 3. Yes, sir. Is that 3? Coach, ref, 3 points po. 2 points. 2 points for number 0. Yep. Official score 37 in favor of GIL, 21 GBIMC. Only 2, yeah. So it's 21. 37-21 po. 16-point differential. Second half na, third quarter. Yes, start of third quarter. Both 5, pass na po sa court. Bola natin! Push ball. Yeah. Black ball, okay. Black ball, GIL ball. Roy, pass to number 11. Get to number 44, back to number 11. Number 10, foul. First personal foul, J. Milan. First team foul. 2 shots for number 11. First shot, no good. Second shot. Yes, sir. Number 08. Pass to Mr. Arnold. Mr. Arnold driving. Back to number 08. 08. Take a shot. Yes, sir.
Nawawala!
2 points for number 08. Second shot clock. Floyd pass to 25. Drop by. No good. Same ball. 7 seconds shot clock. Very good. GBIMC ball. Blue ball, blue ball. Mr. Arbol, Pastor Arnold, taking 3, no good. Battle for rebound, Milan. Pastor Arnold, Arnold drop 2. Jerry, Mr. Jerry, yes sir. Official score, 38-25. Official time, 7 minutes, 55 seconds. 10 seconds, shot clock. Roy drop to 25, number 25. Shot, yes sir. Basket for number 25.
Depensa!
Mr. Albon. Pass to Mr. Jerry Duck. Misty Maliki. Labas lang po. Misty okay again, ball. While receiving the ball, dribbling. Setting a screen. Silver on the ball. Same ball. 13 seconds shot clock. Pass to number 25. Number 25 gun shot. On the corner low. Battle for rebound. Number 10. Number 11. Number 3. Get by Mr. Arbol. Pass to 08. 08 driving. Drop to Mr. Arnold. Arnold. Shoot. Still on his telephone. Drop to Milan. Drop to 08. 08 took a shot. Still no good. Still no good again. 25. Drop to Mr. 44. Arbol.
Ilan na yung number 3?
Mr. Arbol. 2 on you. Time is 6 minutes, 22 seconds. Stop. Basket shot.
One more!
Official score po, 41-25. Second free throw. No good. Battle for rebound. Roy. Milan. Kasi Arnold. Libre. Wala pa rin. Number 42. Pass to Roy. Roy. Drop to number 25. Wala po. Rebound by Jay. Pass to Mr. Arnold. Drop to 08. Drop to Arnold. Arnold. Wala pa rin. Ano po? Still by Mr. Jerry. Sir Jerry. Wala pa rin po. Same ball.
Nice DJ!
GPI ball. Official time 5 minutes 35 seconds. Arnold for 3. Ayaw pa rin. Battle for rebound 42, number 25. Number 8. No. Number 3. Take a shot. Okay, change. Change 5 points. Change 5. The official score 41-27. Blackboard, JR, go. Sorry. Pass to Mr. Paula. Foul, no good. Battle through EJ rebound. Number 88 foul. Number 88, 2 on you. 2 shots for number 1. First shot, yes sir. Yes sir. Pass to Patrick. Bagi Patrick. Pass to 88. Number 1 try to intercept. Pass to Mr. Panto. Back to Mr. Patrick. Pump fake. Drop shot. No good. Rebound by number 88. 40 seconds attack. Push forward. The leader. Number 3. Third on you, Bebog. Kaya pa po. Okay, 2 shots for Mr. Patrick. Okay, last shot po. Okay, basket. Official score 43-28 in favor of Yael. Axel received the ball. Axel drive. Drop to nowhere. Official time 4 minutes. Patrick.
Pinagtitripan ako eh. Ayun lang ayun lang.
Kasutay. Foul pass to number 88. Number 88 shot no good. Getting some rebound. Getting by Carl. Take a shot no good. Axel for the rebound. Axel bringing the ball. Axel is intercepted number 0. Number 0 on the other hand. Waiting for his teammate. The ball is still on his hand. Drop to Mr. Patrick. Pass to Tar taking 3. No good. Rebound by Pau. Pass to Mr. Ariel. Drop pass to EJ fake. Yes sir. Underneath the basket for number 1. Official time 3 minutes. 8 seconds violation for GBIMC. Black ball. Official time 2 minutes 56 seconds. Bebom. GBI ball. Official time 2 minutes 32 seconds. Benny Patrick, toss to Carl. No good, blocked by Axel Sendon. Official time 2 minutes 23 seconds. 18 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Axel intercepted. Pass to EJ. Easy basket, no? Rebound. Rebound again. Number 0 getting on his rebound. Official time 2 minutes 1 second. Number 0 shot long. Rebound. Top to EJ. Pass to Pau. Bilis na. Ngayon po. Nagdalawa po sila. Ngayon po. Okay. Matapos ko sa sarap na. Nabiglayan po. Sorry lang. Traveling violation. Official time 1 minute 41 seconds. Blocked on. EJ.
May papawi siya ng Thursday.
EJ, sabay EJ, drop to Paulo. Paulo for 3. No good, yun by Axel. Drop to EJ. Number 4, foul number 4. 14 foul. 4 personal foul. Pre, warning na pre, 4 personal na pre. Apat. Official time, 1 minute 14 seconds. Second shot, basket. Official score, 46-28. 29, sorry, 46-29. Same ball. 16 seconds, shot clock. 1 minute, official time, last 58 seconds. Pass to Tal, taking three. No good. Rebound by 88. Yes, sir. 45 seconds. Axel dribbling. Pass to EJ. Back to Axel. Blocked by Tal. Get by EJ. No good. Pass to brother. Patrick Lloyd. Musarref. Numbers.
Yes, sir.
Call number 7, yes? Number 3, yeah. Two on you, Axel. 2 shots for number 4. Official time, 27 seconds. Ready for jumper, second shot. Yes, sir. Official score, 46-32. 27 seconds, shot clock.
Last shot lang.
15 seconds shot clock. Pass to Ariel. No good. Rebound by Ariel. Pass to Axel. Drop by. Intercepted by Tarn. Pass to number 7 seconds. 6. 5 seconds.
Oh, no.
4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir. Basket is
Wala ko yan ah. Late pindot. Oh, late pindot.
Hindi pa napindot. Sorry po. Hindi pa napindot.
2 seconds.
Hindi pa napindot. Sorry po. Hindi pa napindot. Pasensya po.
Pasa ka.
Official score po, 46-34 in favor of JL. 12 points lead by JL. Fourth quarter. Pwede na po kayo pumasok kahit 10 po. 10 bawat team po. Pwede po pumasok. Fourth quarter na. Magkagulo na po. Kahit sino na ba, pwede na po pumasok.
Từ ngoài này không có ai đánh màn cái bánh.
Fourth quarter, pass na po. GBI ball, blue ball. Blue ball, GBI ball. Thank you. Back to the ball game. 08, receive the ball, pass to Mr. Ball. Mr. Arnold. Ayun, tama po yun.
Number. Harap.
Mr. Arnold, shot low. Number 11, pass to number 44, pass to number 8. That's Mr. Mamba on you, Mr. Mamba. Back to Mr. EJ. Back to number 11, shot, no goal, back to the rebound, James. Winning on the rebound, pass to Tarn.
Wala tayong babantayan dyan.
Give to Mr. Arbon. Mr. Arnold for 3. Wala pa rin po. Tarn. Take pass. Pass to EJ, pass to Arnold, back to Tarn. Basket is good for Mr. Carl. Who's for it? Thank you. Number 1 foul. Number 44. 44. Warning na yung 44. Si number 44. Warning na. Warning na po, number 44. Yes. Roy, shot, no. Battle for rebound. Rebound by Arnold, pass to Arnold. Arnold, libre na yan! Libre na yan! Ano ba yan? Silence! Intercepted by Mr. Arbon. Pass to Milan. Milan, yes sir. Official score! 38-48. Intercepted by Sumilit. Arnold! Arnold! Yes! Finally! Time out! Time out! JIL, official score! 48-40. Walo na lang po. Walo na lang po. Please be reminded po, twice to beat po ang GBI. Humahabol po. Official time, 7 minutes, 51 seconds. 48-41. Pito na lang po. 48-41. 48-41. Pito na lang po lamang ng JIL. Nakakahabol na po ang GBI. Tandaan po natin, GBI, twice to beat po. Black ball, black ball. JIL, pito na lang po.
Ba't hindi pito na lang?
Hindi, pito.
Nag-basket po kanina 3 seconds, ay 3 shot yung kanina po eh. Dalawa lang yung, kay Tarl po, basket po yung kanina. Foul counted po. Dalawa lang po yung nalista niya. EJ, pass to Axel, bump, pass to number 34. Who's the left? Number 08, foul. First team foul. First personal foul.
Yan, may stationary.
Pito lang.
Ay, sana.
First shot, no good. Official time, 7 minutes, 30 seconds.
Yun!
Kita!
49-41, Mr. Arbol, shot! No good! Rebound by Axel! Intercepted that by rebound by Sinuel! Block by rebound! Yes, block! Who's goal? GBI ball! Official time, 7 minutes, 7 seconds.
Sige lang!
Continue. 7 minutes, 2 seconds. Pass to Mr. Arbol. Mr. Arbol driving. Drop to number 8. Yes, sir. Official score. 49-43. Anim na lang po. Anim na lang po ng GIL. EJ, pass to Roy. Roy again. 10 seconds. Who's for ref? Number 08, second personal, number 8, second team foul, GBI. Bola po, bola. Pakibigay po yung bola. Wala pa po, two personal, two team foul pa lang po. Big shot. No, rebound by Tarn. Pass to
Salubong!
Mr. Arbol. Survey the floor. Who's for rep? Roy, Mr. Roy.
Sir,
Second team foul, Roy. First personal foul. 2 shots. Official score, 49-43. Official time, 5 minutes, 42 seconds. First shot, yes sir. 44-49, 5 na lang po ang hinahabol ng GBI. Second shot, yes sir. Official time, 5 minutes, 42. Official score, 49-45. Apat na lang po, apat na lang. Mr. Roy, dribbling, surveying. Back to Bebon. Back to Roy. Pass to EJ. EJ, take a shot. No goal, battle for rebound. Rebound by Mr. Arbol. Mr. Arbol. Pass to Arnold. Traveling. Official time. 5 minutes, 9 seconds. EJ. 10 seconds shot clock. Axel, drive, no good. Get foul, number 9, foul. 2 shots for Mr. Axel. Third team foul for JDI. Si Ty po, first pa lang po. 2 shots for Axel, first shot, no. Official score, 49-45. Apat na lang po ang inaabot ng GBI. Yes, sir. 50-45. Official score, official time, 4 minutes, 38 seconds. 17 seconds, shot clock. Pass to number 08. 08, take down shot. No battle for rebound. Same ball, GBI ball. 6 seconds, shot clock. Oh, back to 14, sorry. Back to Arbol. Mr. Arbol. Jump shot, no. Rebound by Milat of Puget, position 8, number 73. Get by Roy. Pass to number 25. Official time. 4 minutes, 3 seconds. 12 seconds shot clock, Roy. Yes, sir. Time out. GBI. Official score, 52-45. Official time, 3 minutes, 58 seconds.
Ay, pagsabi mo na. Kuhanin mo na.
Third team foul for GBI, second team foul for Giant. Both team, you only have one timeout, both team. Back to the ball game. Official time, 3 minutes, 58 seconds. Official score, 52-45. May timeout po kayo, ha? Tag-isa po po. 3 minutes, 58 seconds. Mr. Arbol, sobrang the floor. Mr. Arbol, pass to 08. Pass to Arnold. Arnold, pass to 08 again. Drop to Tar, to the shot. Who's the left? Number 7 left? Number 7, Paul Russell. Third team foul. Third personal foul for Mr. Russell. 2 shots for number 9, foul. First shot, yes sir. Official time, 3 minutes, 38 seconds. Official score, 52-46. Last shot, no good. Rebound by EJ.
Gamit aras.
Gamit oras na po. 15 seconds shot clock. 3 minutes, 27 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Roy for 3, no, battle for rebound. Milan, pass to Arnold. Official time, 3 minutes, 12 seconds. 50 seconds shot clock. 08, pass to Arnold. Miscommunication, number 25. Driving, drop to Roy. Blocked by Arnold. Number 7, yes, ano po? 20 minutes, 44 seconds. Wala po, pumasok po. Pass to number 25. 50 seconds shot clock. No good time. Keep up pass to number 3. 2 minutes, 29 seconds. No good. Rebound by Gabon. Pass to Roy. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Roy. Wala pa rin po. Get pa mo sa Arnold. Official score. Time 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Pass to Jay. Pass to number 2. Let's go. Time out, JL. Official score. 52-50. Dalawa na lang po. Official time. 2 minutes, 7 seconds. Third team foul, GBI, third team foul, JL. Wala pa pong penalty. Official time, 2 minutes, 7 seconds. Official score, 52-50. Black ball, JL ball. Official time, 2 minutes, 7 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Number 25, pass to number 1. Number 1. Line ball. JBI ball. Gilid na po, gilid po, gilid na po.
Kuhanin mo na, kuhanin mo na.
Arbol, calling for screen. Pass to Mr. Arnold. Football number 1, foul. Wala pa po, warning pa lang po. Warning for penalty. JL. Official time, 1 minute 42 seconds. Official time, 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, no. Official time, 1 minute 30 seconds. 40 seconds shot clock. Pass to Mr. Arbol for 3. No, back to rebound. Goodbye. Pass to game. Last 1 minute 90 seconds. Same ball. 1 minute 80 seconds. 17 seconds shot clock. 1 minute 80 seconds. Mr. Roy, no good. Axel for the rebound. Stop.
Jel. Blue kanina. Blue kanina.
Wait lang po.
Blue kanina. Naka-blue kanina.
Blue ball po, arrow ball. Blue. Black ball, arrow ball.
Black ball. Blue kanina. Black ball.
Blue, black ball. Yeah, okay. Tawag po na official po natin, black ball po.
Ano po nabagi ako? Tama po, naging bad po kayo kanina.
Official time, 1 minute 10 seconds.
14.
40 seconds shot clock. 40 seconds shot clock. Number 44 is the ball. Jay Milan. Mr. Arbol. Last 1 minute. Mr. Arbol still with the ball. Pass to Arnold. Pass to Tarn. Tarn for 3. Yes, sir. 53. Hey, come down. 47 seconds. 44, no. Intercepted. Boom. Number 7, sportsman foul. Yes. Penalty. But, ref. Sportsman foul. No? Penalty, okay.
Wala nga
Penalty na po, penalty. Penalty. Penalty, penalty po, penalty.
Penalty na, penalty.
Time out, GBI. Wala na po kayong time out ha.
Isa pa po.
Yes, GBI. Pinag-time out po kayo. JL. Penalty na po, normal foul, penalty. Number 7. Fourth personal foul. Official time, 4 minutes, 40 seconds. Official score, 52-53. Change favor na po. Yes sir. Pag sumunod time out, okay po. Time out ang there's still up. First shot. Lagot.
Secure yung rebound!
Sa pag na-shoot lang, time out kayo ha.
Pero kung pag hindi na-shoot,
Wala, go po sila, go po sila.
Isa lang yan. Pag pumasok, dalawa.
Okay, wala na po time out, Boti, wala na po time out. Official time, 40 seconds. Official score, 52-54. 52-54 in favor of GBI. Official time, 40 seconds. Wala pa pong penalty ang GBI. Penalty na po ang GBI, wala pa pong penalty. We still have one more foul to give. 40 seconds po. Back to the ball game, back to the ball game. 40 seconds. Official score 52-54 in favor of GBIMC. Shot clock, yes sir. 14 seconds shot clock. Thirteen, 12, 10 seconds. Pass to Axel. Axel pivot. No good. Get by EJ. Pass to number 25. Shot. No. Pivot by 44. 10 seconds. 1 second. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Shot. Number 25 foul. Penalty. Penalty. Number 25. Sapo. Sapo. Pasok na ipapasok. 2 shots for number 08. Official score 52-54.
20 seconds.
Basket is good. Official time 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Now we don't EJ, 60 seconds, 15, 14, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7. Penalty po, penalty. Dito po, gilid lang po. JBI, gilid lang po. May oras pa, JBI, gilid lang. 6 seconds. Official time, 52-55. Milan for long.
May isa pa, may isa pa!
1 shot.
6 seconds, 6 seconds!
6 seconds. 6 seconds. Yes, sir. 6 seconds, yes, sir. 6 seconds. Official time. Official score 52-56. 5, 4, 3.
Backing!
Giant ball. 3 seconds. 2. Okay. Wala pa, wala.
Let's go.
Warning pa lang po ngayon. 1 second. The winner for this game is JBRMC for the score of 56-52. Gitna lang po. Samayan po tayo mga kapatid. GBRMC bound to finals.